Learners, today we are going to learn 5 lines on cow. Okay, as you can see, the cows, they are grazing grass. Okay, peacefully enjoying the lush green beneath its hooves. Okay, so did you know that cow provides us with nutritious milk? They are like nature's milk factories. As we learn more about the wonderful farm animal, that is cow. गाय हमें दूध देती है. Cow gives us milk. गाय का दूध शरीर को ताकत देता है. Cow's milk gives strength to the body. Third line is गाय घास खाती है. Cow eats grass. गाय के 2 सींग होते हैं. The cow has 2 horns. गाय के 4 पैर होते हैं. The cow has 4 legs. गाय एक पालतू जानवर है. Cow is a domestic animal. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. You are watching my videos but you are not subscribing. Please keep subscribing, and if you like our videos then please share with your friends.